So you want some information about vendors events, should you do it or not? Stay tuned to the video. Off bat, that's all on you. Simple answer, that's all on you. Here's the pros, here's some of the cons of the vendors events. The pros, what I like, you can test out new product. If you're doing cups, new cup designs. If you're introducing cups to your business, or new designs on shirts, whatever you're doing, you can test out that product. Like for example, the last two vendor shows I did, one was a fashion show at my local place. You had the new items. I product tested with a few of my friends and families. So it came down to two designs. So basically what I did is I set these two designs up as display only. And if they want to order, they can order. They fill out this order form. And also, can you agree to sign up for the email list? Most of the people say, yeah, that's cool. And I noticed substantially they like one design over the other. So I'm like, all right, cool, bet. So this one is going on to the website. But I was able to actually test it out with real people, not just your friends or your family members who's just going to tell you nice things. These people don't know you. They don't owe you anything. And they're going to speak with their money. They'll be like, oh, I really love this one. They were so excited about that one. So I'm like, all right, because the designs are similar, but they're like that one design over the other. So I'm like, all right, you can always product test. You always can product test, but you're going to do it the right way. If they expect to be on the website, just like, oh, it's finna come up in a few days, sign up for the email list. I'll let you know when the product is up and running. Next thing, networking. You can always network at some of these vendors events. I was just recently at Chicago's Fashion. We didn't get sales the first day, but we was networking with the models, the designers, and stuff like that. Just getting our face out there and then getting those connections. And second day we sold a lot more. So second day was more like the streetwear, and that's where we sold a lot. And we still was getting connections with these models, like these Instagrammers, these YouTubers. We getting these connections. That's what we're really at. These connections. Even if you're not selling something, you leaving with something. You came here, you leaving for something. You from around the way. You leaving here with something. Some of the cons, a lot of them can be dead. Like a lot of them can be like not for you. Like we went to a sneaker fest. You can see this on the channel. We did not do well. Like our stuff is like streetwear. So I'm like, okay, sneaker fest, gear, hand to hand. Nah, they just came here for sneakers and that's it. So like, makes sense. It's a sneaker fest, but my mindset, okay, they will need clothes for it, and like That's one of the cons. That's a big con. That's a big con. So if they don't advertise right, you ain't winning. You just wasted your time. Check out this tumbler. Well, it's gonna be bigger when you get it, but got this tumbler on the site. I don't know if you know Yu Yu Hakusho, but this is Yu Yu Hakusho but black. So fuck with it. So I hope this helped. Like I said, y'all, really depends on you. It's like one big con, but there's a lot of good pros on there. So you weigh it out, all right? So that's it for the video. I hope y'all be smooth. I hope y'all have a great day and enjoy the game. All right, love you.